a new friend. Hello, my name is Sarah. I am 10 years old. I live in a small town with my family. I have one brother and one sister. We are happy together. Every morning I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wash my face, eat breakfast, and go to school. My favorite subject is English because I like learning new words. One day, a new student came to our school. His name was Ahmed. He looked shy, so I smiled and said, "Hello, my name is Sarah." Adam smiled back. We talked during lunch. We found out that we both liked reading books and playing football. Now, Adam is my best friend. We study together, play together, and help each other. A simple hello helped us become good friends. Now, after that you have read the text, answer the following questions. Question A. What is the girl's name? Question B. Who is the new student? Question C. How did Sarah and Adam become friends? Pause the video until you answer the questions. Key answers. Answer number A. Her name is Sarah. Answer of the question B. The new student is Adam. Question C. They become friends because they talked during lunch and discovered that they both liked reading books and playing football. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.